You ready?
Out here on Old Hickory, down towards the headwaters. Me and buddy Manny were out here, we were doing a little jugging, a little limb lining. We caught one this morning on a limb line, didn't have the GoPro ready. And we got one right here, tugging away. Let's see what we got. Let's not get bit by any copperheads or nothing. Cottonmouths. Oh yeah, a little one. Sweet. Caught this on a live shad right here at Old Hickory. Water temp's like 83. Alright, let's see what we got here. Keep turning off. Oh no, this one was on a worm. Little channel cat. Leave that line for another time. Nice little eating size. Make sure that gets up. Sweet. And since we're redneck and don't have anything to put this thing in, we're gonna put it in this old thing with the other one. Nice. Caught a nice one last night. Should have had the GoPro for that, but it died. Well, next time.